Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to force restart your Android smartphone. And if it's frozen or stuck, the touchpad doesn't work, to force restart it on most of the Android phones, if you press and hold down the power button located on the side right here, and then the volume down button, this should go ahead and force restart. So if I hold this down, it might take like a screenshot, but that is fine. But let's hold this down and it should restart here by itself. So it's restarting. Now on some of the newer Android phones, you might just have to hold down the power button for 30 seconds on the side here. Then on this model phone, where you have a physical home button, you have to press the volume down button, power button, and the home button down. So 3 buttons down at the same time, and it should reforce start it. So now when it's like this, just go ahead and hold down the power button and it should boot up once again. So this will force restart it. So if you're stuck on any kind of menu and you think your phone is broken, try force restarting it. And if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.